Yes, you are looking at our very own private beach. Sort of. As we were looking for a quiet place to fly the drone away from huge crowds, we stumbled upon some gated-off beachfront. It appears it was planned as another small resort, but the project was mysteriously dumped. Are you sure that's the way? Since none of it was being monitored, we figured we'd follow some of the resourceful beachgoers to one of the many conveniently placed entrances. Oh my gosh. Okay. An unfortunate reality about this beautiful little spot was how trashed it was. I wish people would just get it together and stop ruining things. Lovely. This is so cool. Look at all this marble on this beach.
This part of the beach has a long history.
Aw, it's so tiny. That's so cute. Bye. Okay, enough playing around. Time to do what we really came here for.